all these ribbon are very important actually for the whole year. This place you have ribbon, you have font, you have alignment, you have size, you also have patterns. So yeah, this package, for the package you have some maybe like copy or place of cut. So or you want to what you want to paint your work with any color you have painted it. So for font, you can call it to select your font you want to put it. You can put it here. You can also put an italic or you want to underline your work. So and for this font you can change the font size here. So you can change the color, you can change the background color, or you can create a table. This is the bottom format. You can use this to create a table as well. So all this one are for alignment here. So you can center your work. You can put at the right hand side, put at the left hand side, or put at the center in the middle. So this for the alignment. So it works for alignment. And also you have numbers here. When you drop this one down, you see you want to put any form of dollar or something on it. You can change your size here. Maybe dollar or naira, you can change your size here. So and also for the percentage, you can change percentage here as well. So for the styles, you have a conditional format, formatted tables, set styles and all. So for this one now, for the sets, you can insert the sets, you can delete the sets, you can format the sets on this format. On this ribbon here, you have editions. So for editions, you can edit your work here too. So okay. So and for the editing, you can edit on this side too as well. So and adding, you can add on this page. So under the insert button, you can generate Bible table. So and also you can recommend it. You can click on this recommended Bible table. And here we have a table. You can create a table on this under the inside. So you can create a table on that. So now what again? So under the insert, you have tables, you have illustration, you have charts, you have sparklings, you have stars, you have link. So on this illustration, so here you can import the pictures from anywhere, maybe from your device, from a stock image from online. You can import any picture. So and also you can turn your text to 3D model. And for this you can bring any icon to your Excel work, or you can generate a shape here too as well. You can create any shape here. So as well. So and for the smart art, you can use smart art to create any smart art you want to create. So and then you can screenshot your work. So and for the charts, you can click on this recommended chart to create any kind of chart. So that smart art is for if you want to plot a concrete diagram chart. So you can plot any diagram using that smart art on your thing. So now for chart, you can create any chart here. When you come to recommended chart, you click on this. It's going to show up a lot of charts for you that you can use. Before you can use it, you need to have work that you are working on. After you realize that we have work, then you click on it. It will be activated at that time. But now it's not active because there's no work that you are going to plot the chart with. So and what again, we have sparkling. So this sparkling can use it to plot any chart you want to plot, maybe line or column chart or win or lose. So also we have slicer. So you can create a slicer on your dashboard on this side. So you can build a dashboard slicer on that. When you come there, just click on create a slicer on your dashboard. So and also we have timelines here. have orientation. This orientation we have portrait, we have landscape. Maybe you want your work to be in form of portrait, you can select it here. Maybe you want to be in form of landscape, you can select it here. So and also we have size. You can do the size in here. So and print area, you can print your work here. You can break the Excel spreadsheet on this side, and also you can take the background of this onto as well. So and also what we have again, we have scale width. You can auto select your work here, maybe auto width or auto height, and also for the scale you can scale your work here. For the ground line here too, so this ground line is the line at the back of your spreadsheet. You understand that small line at the back of your spreadsheet to make your work to go to that line. It's called ground line. So this one now has been deactivated. That's why we have it blank here like this. So it is activate. If you activate it, it's going to show here at the back here. Or it is that deactivated. If you want to view it, you can click on view here. If you want it to not to see, after you click on view, it has to come up like this. If you want to view it, just click on it. And it will become blank like this. So then we have edge. Edges. You can do the edges here. And also report or send back of your work. This what. So now for the formula, here is where that is very important. So for this formula now, here what the first one we have insert function, and that's what we call formula bar. Here you can insert any function here on this formula bar. That's everything. So if you insert any function here, it's going to work perfectly and it's going to calculate for you. So let's say if you have data here, you can insert a function like let's say because you can insert that function and press enter. It's going to add it up for you without stressing yourself. So also have your auto sum. This auto sum, you have a lot of formula here. So we have sum, we have average, we have count numbers and maximum, minimum. So and there's more function under it as well. So and we have recently used. All this one have been some formula. The formula are very massive. So also have financial. So there's a lot of formula here to as well. Because under financial, so you can get the price, you can get the PV, you can get the rate, you can get the receive. All of it are on this financial. So and also we have logical. That logical we have and of course we have if and error function, we have if now and a lot of functions under logical. So we also have test. Under the test you can change your character, you can create, you can code, you can concatenate any of them. So you can do all those ones there. So on the date we have date too, a lot of function under that one too as well, as you can see. So we have lookup and references. Under lookup and references you can see each lookup, VLOOKUP, match lookup and all those stuff under that one and next match. So there's the formula on this, all those things you are seeing. We also have a cos, we have a cos under mass and trigonometric. So we have a sine and cosine, any formula you want to import. That's fantastic about it. It's very great to do that. You can solve any mathematics in the world using Excel without writing any question down or using your pen to write anything. So and what again? So we also have more functions under statistics, under engineering formula. You can get any formula from this engineering. We also have good formula, so you can get any good formula here. Various functions and also compatibility. Maybe on the web formula, you can go on web to get some formula. So if you want into your Excel, so as the manager, we have how to define name, we have using formula and all those stuff like that on it. So then here on the data, where on data form pathway like normal Power BI will reach on a central way whereby you transform your data, you get the data and transform it and load it, and it's going to work perfectly. And under this you have to review. On the review, you can spell, you can review your spelling, you can treasure your work and also work with statistics. So on and all, so you can hide your work, so you can hide the empty work, you can view. So under the view, this one is very important. For this one we have normal, you can break the page here. So that's what we fix. So we always use view for maybe like for a work, like maybe you want to create what do you call it, a receipt, or you want to create a invoice for a company. You can use it to create an invoice, a correct invoice. Come into this place, break the page layout, and it's going to create a format of invoice for you. So for this one I told you the guideline there is off. That's why it's not showing that. So it's off now. So when you on it, it's going to show agile side. So what again? So we have some, maybe you want to stream your workout, you want to stream it back, you want it to be good, or you want it to be small, you can do that under the yeah, free span. This free span is very important. Let's say that you have a lot of thousands of data here. You have a lot of thousands of data here, and you want to fill the edges of your work. Just align the head. After you align the head like this, come to this free span and click on free stop group. You click on free stop group, it's going to be showing your edge. Even if you go down to 1000 group, it's going to be showing your edge for you to enter the data. So that free span is going to free span the edge for you, and it's going to be reflecting your normal edges for you, and it will make your work very easier than for you to be go to top of your spreadsheet before you can see your edges. You understand? So now the next one is split. If you want to split your work, or you want to hide it, or you want to split windows, or you want to perform macro, and also have developer. Under this developer, you can record the macro. So and also you can encode your work and add this a file from anywhere. So you can insert, and also you can take a patch for this company is autogram. So here you can import the data as well to as well. So this macro is very good, and it's going to make so you can use it to record the spreadsheet. Let's say this one now, on this start here now, you want to record it to be on this place. You can record it to be on the art, and it's going to be there. All the data that is there is going to be here. So and it's going to be working perfectly. So and next one is help. Maybe you need help from web and other stuff like that. So now it's all about all that. Now today we are going to look at an essay tool. So now to go about how to go about this. So now we want to deal with the add. We want to add all these values together. So let's just do one at a time. So here's how to add function. Okay. So once we add this, let's say we have fruit, we have almonds. So here now if you want to add this one together, just click on equal to, then write SOM open bracket, and click on this, then align it to this side and close the bracket, enter. So it's going to add up for you. Then for this press on as well, open the bracket, click on this, and align it to this side, and close the bracket and press enter. It's going to add up for you. So now if you want to do it for this one too as well, so just come here, write equal to SOM, close the bracket, open the bracket, click on this, align it to this side, then close the bracket and press enter. So it's going to add up for you. So So for this one to SUM open bracket, click on this side. So close the bracket and press enter. It's going to add up for you. That's how to add. So for the next one, we want to look on how to fill. So let's delete this. So if you want to fill your work, this is how to go about that. This is how to go about that. To get what's really up. Okay, so let me delete all this. So after you deleted this, then you come here, press enter. After you press enter, then you click on this. You click on this, then you add it together plus this. What is really happening? Okay, so after you press that, then you click enter. So it's going to add up for you. So for you to fill it now, what you are going to do is that you are going to come up here, then come to this side. After you get to this side, then you are going to drop it down. There's function that is working here which is not supposed to be. So then you are going to drop down. Okay, let me open the real file. I think this one has been giving me issue. Let me just use this instead, so that's able to do it fast. So now when you come here for the addings, press equal to SUM open bracket, then highlight your work from this page to this page. So press enter. For this one too, press equal to SUM open bracket, click on this and then highlight your work, press enter. For this one too, when you want to sum, just write SUM and click on this, then add it together. And for this, press SUM open bracket, click on this and then add it together. These are the first step. So then the next step is to fill. So here now we already have this one to be, let's say 50. So I told you, if you have it on horizontal, you will use plus. If you have it on vertical, you will use sum. So here now when you come here and just double tap this, it's going to fill up for you. And for this one too, just drag this one down here, it's going to fill up for you. That's all about fill. So for this one, you want to split it. You want to split the document, come here. After you get there, then you see Nancy, you have Nancy first, you have Smith, you have Control, so that's their Gmail. So we want to split all this one into all these spaces. So how can you do that? You write their name very correctly, Nancy. After you write the Nancy, then just move out, then press Ctrl E. So you see it has filled that format for us. So when you press Ctrl E, this is what you are going to press. Ctrl plus E plus E. So that's what you are going to press. If you press it, it's going to work. So here now, when you come here, then the next one, let's say Nancy. So we write Smith. After write Smith, then you will just press Ctrl E. So it's going to split that one too for you. So under this last name says, so you want to write you want to get their Gmail, their company name rather. So you write Contoso LTD dot. So when you write that, then come back and double tap it. So it's going to split. Okay, press Ctrl E. So it's going to split those all the company names out there for you. That's how to go about that. For the next one, you want to transpose this one. Just highlight it like this. After you highlight it like this, press Ctrl Z. Then come here and right click your work. Right click your mouse. So when you right click your mouse, it's going to come up like this. Click on Paste Special, then click on Transpose and press OK. So it has been transposed. So that's how to perform transpose. So for sort and filter, for you to perform sort and filter, so you just highlight the headings of your work. After you highlight it, then come to this. So you see sort and filter, then click on filter. So you see it has come up with this pot. So all the data that is inside this spreadsheet, it has been put on this place. So it has been combined to that place. So that means everything you want, maybe you have a billions of data, you can sort it here in a GV without stressing yourself. When you click on this and drop it down now, you see all the data set has been here. So and you can search for the one you are looking for. Let's say you are looking for Delhi. So that is search for Delhi, then click OK. So it's going to pop up. So it's only Delhi you will see. It's only Delhi data you are going to see there. So you can't see all the remaining one as well. So and if you want to all to be shown, just come here and select all and click OK. So you want to search any data, you can search there. Let's say you want to search for bakery. So let's search for bakery. So bakery. So when you search for bakery and press OK, so you see it's only the bakery you will see. Or if it's amount too, you can search for the amount. You can search for their categories. After you search your category, it's going to show up. That's the only thing you search for is what you are going to see. That's sort and filter. So for the next one, we have tables. How can you create a table next? When you come here, just highlight your work. After you highlight it like this, then you can use your insert. When you come to insert, then click on table and click OK. So you see that's create a table. When you now come here, you can change your table to any format. You can change it to any color you want. So you get that? That's how to create a table next. So and also we have drop down. So for this drop down, you want to create a drop down, just click on this place, go to data. When you get to data here, then click on data validation. After you click on data validation, then click on the list. Then on this list, you can just minimize it, carry it somewhere, then list all the things that you have here. Just highlight it down like this, list everything, then click OK. So on this, it has shown drop down for you, so where you can pick anything you want. So for this one now, let's say you want apple, you can pick apple. For this one, let's say you want beef, you can pick beef. For this one, let's say you want banana, you can pick banana. For this one, let's say you want lemonade. So it has dropped it down for you. So any list you want to, instead of you writing it, you can just drop down to validate everything. Then you are just going to be picking it one by one instead of you typing. So this one is good for maybe you want to work with easy something that you don't want to stress yourself. So that's for that. So for the next one, we have an analysis. So if you want to analyze your data, this is quick analysis you can do in Excel. So let's come here. When you highlight your work, for quick analysis, so you want to analyze your work, let me come here. So you just highlight your work like this. After you highlight your work, there's something that is going to come up here. So in this side, so this small box, when you click on it, it's going to pop up for you. You can format your table, you can do the chart, you can even calculate the total here without stressing yourself pressing anything. So when you come here, it's going to calculate without some for you. So when you come here, it's going to plot. If you want to plot the chart, you can create a chart here. let's say that you want a scatter plot, or you want a what again, line chart, anyone you want, just click on it, it's going to pop up for you. So you can do the quick analysis there. You can do any kind of calculation using this quick analysis to perform any analysis you want to do. Do you understand? Now let's go to chart. If you want to plot chart, so you click on your work, you highlight your work. After you highlight your work, then you go to insert, then you click on recommended chart. On this recommended chart, you can see any kind of chart you want to plot here. So if you want all the charts, come to all the charts. We have recent, we have templates, we have line charts, we have pie charts, we have bar charts, we have area charts, we have map, we have stock, we have surface, we have radar, we have tip map, any of the charts that you want to plot. So let's just use this one. So let's use this, then click OK. So it's going to plot for you. So these are our charts. So and that's how to plot chart in Excel. That's how to plot chart in Excel. For the last one, we have pivot table. You will highlight your work like this, and you want to pivot it. Let's say you have this one, just go to pivot table here, then click on pivot. So if you want to pivot on existing work, you can click on this existing work. If you want to pivot on new sheet, you can click on new sheet. But now we want it to be on existing work. So now just come here where you want it to show, then click OK. So you see, you can pivot our work like this. You can carry all this one to the value. Let's say value, say for this one. So a month, let's carry that one to the value. So go and search it. You see their total sum are being reflecting here. So you see it has calculated the total sum for us immediately. So that's the work of pivot table. And if you want the average for say person, so you can come here and get the average. When you drop down this, then you can get the average, you can get the sum, you can get the minimum, you can get the maximum, you can get the. So if you want it to be in a percentage, you can even come here and do this. Maybe you want it to count the total, you want their number of row, you want the column of this, you can get it here as well too. So that's all about that. So for this one, we have done with the table, we have done with the drop down, so we have done with the pivot table. So that's all we need to know on this journey of Excel. Then the next one that we did is based on one data that we use on online work. So and let me quickly get the data so that I can run us through that. Let's say we have sales here. Let me use product. Let's say we have sales on this side. I'm coming. Let me just use my own data set so that you to get it. So I just want to create something for my own head, so that you're able to understand it very well. So let's say that we have sales here and we have profit. So let's come in. We have 23, we have 15, we have 14, we have 15. So we have 45, we have 46, we have 56, we have 57. So now let's say we want to find the sales average, sales sum, sales average, sales sales minimum, sales maximum. So here now, how can you get it? So for us to get this now, I think average is not there. So for us to get this, so you just come here and write equal to and write s1 and sum. So you are going to use the same function. So then you come here, highlight your work like this, then close the bracket, press enter. So we get total for sales to be 65. Then if you want the minimum, just click on minimum, open the bracket, click on this, come down here, close it. So you get the minimum. If you want the maximum, press equal to max, open bracket, click on this, right down to this place, then close the bracket. So if you want the average, just press equal to, then write average, then open bracket, highlight your work. So highlight your work. Then press enter. So that's for the sales. So if you want it for profit too as well, just come here, then you press equal to sum, then open the bracket, come here down to this place, close the bracket, press enter. So if you want the minimum, write min, open bracket, click on this, down to this side, close the bracket. So if you want the maximum, write max, open bracket, click on this, down to this place, and close the bracket. So if you want the average, so open bracket here and highlight it to this side and click enter. So that's for average. So and if you want to do quick analysis, that you don't want to stress yourself, just highlight your this thing. I told you yesterday and data analysis, and I've explained how to get this. If you don't have it on your PC, just come to the file here, click on option. After you click on option, click on add-ins, on this add-ins. After you click on the add-ins, after you click on the add-ins, then click on go. After you click on go, you will see these three bags. Make sure that analysis to pack is marked, then click OK. So after that, you will now click on analysis and click on distribute statistics. So if you click on distribute statistics, you will come and highlight your table, the place where you want, that's the range, input range. You input your range from this place to this side. So now you are dealing with the figures only. Don't select the sales, just select only the figure that you have under sales. Then after that, come here, click on this summary statistics, click on complex level if you want that. So then the output range, where do you want it to be? So to be showing. So if you want it to be showing there, just come and click here, then click OK. So your answer, all the results you need, will come up like this. So you get mean, you get standard error, you get medians, you get the mode, all of it at once, instead of you doing one after the other like this. That's the shortcut to go about that. So now if you want for this one too as well, for the profit, so the quick analysis, just come to analysis, analyze, then click on distribute statistic, then highlight this everything here, then highlight your value. After you highlight your value, then select where you want it to be shown. That's select where you want to be shown. So let's say you want it to be shown here, so then click OK. So you see our result too for that one, for the profit too is there. So and you can see that we have main 43, we have dash what do you call it, the total sum is 193. So you see that the result is accurate, it's very correct, so the result here is very correct, very accurate. So now the one that we did before manually, see that the answer to both of it is related together. For this one we have our sum to be 65, where the sales here to is 65. So but this one calculate everything for you. You can see the mean, standard error, median, mode, and standard deviation, sample variance, kurtosis, skewness, and all at once. And for this we have the mean, standard error. So everything has been calculated for you here, quick and fast. So that's how to go about that. So as well, I think that's all we did yesterday, but the voice is not speaking. So, and I've tried to do it again for us to watch it there, so and get all the concept behind everything that we did yesterday. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I pray God bless you. Amen. Bye for now.